How to choose the ideal watermelon. Do you find it stressful to pick a watermelon at the grocery shop from the assortment? How to choose a ripe, sweet melon is a frequently asked question that we receive. Here are suggestions to help you choose the ideal watermelon every time. Find a watermelon that is a consistent size, either round or oval is fine. Simply keep an eye out for unusual lumps. Find a melon that is substantial for its size. This typically indicates that it will be sweeter and contain more water. Locate a field location that is orange and creamy. The longer it stayed on the vine and the more flavor it had, the darker the yellow field mark normally is. The field spot should be white if the melon isn't nearly ripe. Larger webbing or sugar spots are typically indicative of sweet melon because they indicate that the melon is pouring out sugar. Melons that are ripe will be black and dull, so keep an eye out for those. Melons are underripe when they are glossy. We hope that was helpful. If you know more tips and tricks about it, please share them in comment section. Thank you. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.